I am Maksudur Rahman, coming from Bangladesh. I am 38 years old. I am looking for a job as aircraft cleaner. I am hardworking, confidential, communicative, and proactive. I have 2 year experience as a delivery agent in Bangladesh as Pathao Limited company. I am HSC in Bangladesh, Dhaka board. I have good communication skills, attention to detail, customer service, critical thing. Thank you for watching my video resume. If will have highly appreciated if you consider my application. I am looking forward to hear from you.